Hello again, YouTubers. On SpongeBob 101 back here again on These Other Stuff channel. Welcome to another flight experience. Today we are flying from here, Los Angeles International Airport. You can see the brand new metro station right there. We're flying Allegiant from here, LAX, to Kalispell, Montana, Glacier Park International Airport. So without further ado, let's head in and get this flight started. And here we are, Allegiant's check-in. Alright, let's go to Kalispell. Okay, so we are through. Take a look at this, Los Angeles. Here we have the departure board, and of course our flight is G4810, Allegiant departing 228 at gate 209B. So let's go get some food and head on to the plane. So we are approaching our gates. Turns out this is probably like one of the terminals that international airlines use. So I've seen a lot of random planes. We've got KLM right here. And yeah, all the way to the end. Here we are. Okay, boarding our plane. Let's go to Kalispell.
That whole road, and then we got stuck.
Estimated flight time is 2 hours and 8 minutes. Welcome aboard.
Once we're on the air, beautiful afternoon for flying. Be taking off over the water today. Those of you on the right-hand side of the aircraft, a nice view of the west side. It's Marina Del Rey, Venice, Santa Monica, all the way up to Malibu. On the left, you'll be looking at the South Bay, Manhattan Beach, Hermosa, down towards Palos Verdes. About halfway out to Catalina, make a U-turn back over Malibu. Our route of flight today basically takes us over the valley, up the Grapevine. Now we'll cross the Sierras, somewhere around Yosemite, hopefully get a nice view of that for you. Then just to the east of Reno, up towards the west of Boise, and make that approach up into Kalispell. When we get there, clear skies, temperature a little bit cooler in here, 62 degrees right now. It's going to be cold tonight, looking for a low of 37.
This is safety information card located at your seat, so please take it out and follow along as we cover this important information.
That's what they were supposed to follow, yeah.
area, Mono Lake, and Yosemite. Yosemite's coming off the left wing, but it looks like it's mostly covered in clouds. We'll see what happens here over the next couple of minutes. And over the next 2 minutes or so, right below us, you'll be able to see the ski runs. Still there, kind of to Mammoth Mountain. We're not going ahead and turn on the fasten seatbelt sign, and although we're expecting a mostly smooth flight across the high desert today, I'd like to ask you please do us a favor when you are in your seats, do as we do here in the cockpit, keep those seatbelts at least loosely fastened around your waist at all times. The mountains in particular can be a little bit unpredictable at this time of day as the temperatures begin to cool down for the evening. We just don't want anyone to get hurt. But believe me, and before I tell you that, if you look off the left wing right now, you can see Half Dome peeking out there. And it looks like you can't really see it on Copy Todd, but Half Dome's pretty prominent there right between the clouds. Anyway, you've been lucky enough to get on an aircraft with Fort Allegiant's finest flight attendants, and while we know you hear it on every airline you get on up here in the air, we really do mean it. If there's anything any of us can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to let one of us know. Mahalo, enjoy the remaining 1 hour and 40 minutes or so of our flight.
Time here. Here is the forward lavatory right behind the cockpit. You got the coat hook, ear vents, some tissues, the sink, some soap, and of course the toilet itself, and the nappy changing table, and toilet seat covers. So that's the lavatory on the Allegiant A320.
Big sky approach, and as you can tell, we're going to descend for the airport. Currently, we've got 150 miles to go, barring any air traffic delay. Should have you on the ground about half an hour, about 50 minutes past the hour. Not too much to see right now. We're about halfway between Spokane and Missoula. As we make our approach here, we'll be coming in from the west side. Flathead Lake, it's Flathead. We'll be off to the right, and we're landing to north, so we won't get the tour over by Whitefish. We'll be landing straight towards the park. Weather's just as calm, so you can see looking out the window, some scattered clouds. Temperature now is coming down through 63 degrees. Like that, sir.
and gentlemen, welcome to Kalispell. For your continued safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened while that seatbelt sign is still illuminated. Once the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt signs, it is safe to get up and gather your personal belongings. Please use caution when opening overhead bins and items in the ship during flight. Please refrain from smoking until safe inside the terminal, then only in designated smoking areas. And now use your mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices. However, laptop and computers may not be used at this time. If you are claiming luggage in Kalispell, please follow the signs to baggage claim. And on behalf of your entire crew, we want to thank you for flying with us today. It has been our pleasure serving you, and we hope to see you on another Allegiant flight. And if you requested wheelchair assistance, please remain seated so everyone is off the aircraft. This will allow us to better assist you. Y'all have a great day, and welcome to Kalispell. Flight attendants prepare doors for arrival. Stand by for on-call.
Welcome to Kalispell, Montana. And there it is, our plane Allegiant N298NV, which took us here to Kalispell. Alright, so that was the flight with Allegiant Air, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and there it goes, N298NV, pushing back from Kalispell, bound back for Los Angeles. And next time, we'll be flying out of here, Glacier Park International Airport, to Seattle, Tacoma on Alaska Airlines. So till then, well, bye.